Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how I actually set up my videos and record them. Now, I use OBS Studios, and I feel like that's one of the best video recording applications so far. And some of you might think not, but today I'll just be showing you how I use OBS Studios to create my videos. So first things first, how do I actually display my screen in OBS Studios? You have to either click the plus sign or right click in this sources, right? I'll right click and add a a display capture. And once you do that, you're gonna name it something like screen. I already have a screen, so I'll just write SC, whatever. Press OK. And right now I only have one screen, so I'm gonna press OK again. But since I already have another video capture device, I don't really need this new one, so I'll delete it. And now you can see my screen. So after you do that, you also want to have a microphone to speak in, unless you don't want it. But we're gonna be using a mic, obviously. So I'm gonna add an audio input device, an audio input capture. I'm gonna add an existing, or if you're using an external mic, not the one that's inside of your computer, which is this one right here, you're gonna create new, give it a name, press OK, and device, and give your mic. I'm using the Blue Snowball, so I already have that. I'm not gonna press OK or anything. So now you guys have your mic set up. Let me remove this. Okay, good. So now you guys have your mic set up. You also want a face cam, let's say. And the way you can get a face cam, I'm using my iPad or tablet or whatever to use my face cam. And I'm gonna have a link to a video to show you how to do that in the description. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure to go into the description and check out the video. So what we're gonna do is, and some of you guys might already have a webcam, so I'm just gonna skip this part. We're gonna go to video capture device. Don't add an existing unless like there's something over here, then obviously add it. And I'm gonna give it a name called cam. And I press OK. And we're gonna go to our camera. And you guys can see my face. Now, well, some people changed a lot of stuff over here, but for now we're just gonna keep it at the default. And we're gonna come all the way down here, and I'd like to keep it a little small. And yeah, so now my webcam is all set up. But one thing you guys will notice, and that is really frustrating, is when you put up your left hand for your video, it kind of looks like you're putting up your right hand. And when I put up my right hand, it kind of looks like I'm putting my left hand. So the way you can fix that is you have to flip it like that. So what you do is you come to cam, right click, transform, make sure transform, and flip horizontally. And now when you raise up your right hand, it looks like you're raising up your right hand. When you raise up your left hand, it looks like you're raising up your left hand. Some of you guys might not have this problem, but some of you might think it's a little frustrating. So now that we got that out of the way, as you can see, the green screen is showing in the background. And in most of my videos, the green screen usually doesn't show in all of my videos. And it's all cropped out, right? So the way you can do that is you have to come here in your cam, right click, filters, and add a chroma key. And you can give it a name like back or something like that, and press OK. And as soon as you do that, it gets cropped out. And you can change maybe it to blue or anything if you have like a blue screen or something, I don't know. But for now we're just gonna keep it at green screen. I look kind of weird. Anyways, we're gonna close that. And now my background is all cropped out. So that will be all for today's video on making a video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.